How to change your brake pads. First, crack the wheel nuts and jack the car up. Next, remove the nuts and the wheel. Loosen the top and bottom pins on the back of the caliper. Remove the caliper and the old brake pad. Now open up your brake fluid reservoir and compress your caliper. Install the first new pad to the caliper. Remove the old pad and add a little copper grease to the new replacement pad. Install the pad and put the caliper back in place. Tighten up the 2 pins on the back. Close the brake fluid reservoir. Pump the brake to build pressure.